Well, people have known that the Earth is spherical for thousands of years. It's not okay to say that the Earth is flat. This is some sort of strange denial. I don't know where it comes from. And it's something where I keep getting this question. We really need to put this question to bed because we've known the Earth is a sphere for a long time. There's some even well-meaning people that have kind of, they say, well, I don't really believe the Earth is flat, but I'm not really sure what to think about it. And they've asked me some interesting questions like, they've heard that that space is very hot. That when you go up above the atmosphere, the temperature of space is millions of degrees, which is true. The problem is there's basically no air at all. So I mean, the gas right around the Earth is actually millions of degrees hot. That's actually true, but there's almost none of it. There's almost nothing. Like one single proton whizzes by you at a temperature of 1,000,000 degrees. It's not the same as temperature, like in the air. It's not the same thing at all. So that one was one that I get sometimes. And the other one is, I actually said this to somebody, and I couldn't believe they'd never thought of it, that, with binoculars you can see planets. You can see Saturn and Jupiter. You can see Mars with a telescope, the sun, the moon, everything else you see in the solar system is a sphere. So we're the one thing that is different. And that actually made somebody who was more interested in actually hearing information, that actually got them to think. They were like, you're right. Everything else we take a picture of is a sphere.